It'll be on eBay.
Hey, nice aeroplane.
Sorry?
Nice aeroplane. Did you build this?
I built it, yeah. Yes, stand buccaneer.
Yeah. Yeah. Very nice too.
Yeah. And you said it was never the same thing, but you're bloody right, you're never the same thing. Yeah, they're never the same thing. Right.
You say you bought a bind plug?
Yep.
Yeah,
May I?
Yep. Sort that out. Hang on a sec.
No, Charlie. First power up. It's flashing.
Success?
Up and down, right and left, and bit of wood propeller. Yeah, we're good.
So what is this thing?
It's supposed to be a Hawker Heart, but it's not quite as pointy and aluminium as the real thing. But it's one of the Micron models kits that they sell. Laser cut kit, nice little kit, but when I first built it, I did it wrong, and the top and lower wings were not in alignment.
Yeah.
And it just handled horribly.
Yeah.
And I put off doing anything with it for ages.
Is it too fast to fly indoors?
It's just a little bit too big for the indoor venues we've got handy.
Yeah.
But I did a little bit of different to it. I put together a carbon fibre undercarriage instead of tin.
Oh yeah.
Instead of wire.
Yeah, sure.
And I think originally I didn't have a pilot, but he's actually worked out to balance it reasonably well.
Yeah.
Yeah. He looks terrified suitably, which is probably...
Not as scared as he's going to look in a minute.
We'll see if it's any better than it was before. Let's go to where the grass is a little longer.
Sounds like a country and western song. Let's go to where the grass is longer.
Better get somewhere near the runway. Tell you what, if you stand on the runway,
I took it earlier on.
over the longer grass, perhaps. We can do it. See if we can get that. I think we may need a little. We may have a balance issue.
Hey, be cool. Hey, what we had the problem last time.
Yeah. I remember it well.
Well, we had a problem with the fuel tank. Basically, I overfilled it as I normally do.
Okay, yeah.
And spurted out too much fuel because I forgot it's only a 6-ounce tank.
Yeah.
Anyway, the leak we sorted out. We took the engine out, took the fuel tank out, which is quite accessible.
Yeah.
And I didn't have a custom, because it's a custom-made tank.
Yeah.
And a custom-made hole. Didn't have enough space to put anything else in. So I cleaned the tank out.
Yeah.
Put new fittings in it.
Yeah.
Rerouted the pipe work a bit, and bingo, it's there. And done. Sorted.
A little more weight on the front, yeah. Oh, it loosened up.
Well, both of the, as you can see, the wing struts, it was a little bit of a lifted at the back there.
Yeah.
So I've got to re-glue that.
Right.
It seemed to be all right in balance, but obviously it's not.
Lovely shape, that.
Yeah.
Nice old timer.
Been a good old model.
Yeah.
On the nose, re-glued the wing struts, and we were hoping for the best this time. But it's getting progressively heavier, because I think about 5 grams on that is probably 50% more body, more airframe weight. Go a bit closer to the soft bit, that's it. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Well, better. Still a little erratic, I think. If by some chance it has survived, I think I'll just reduce the inputs a bit. Everything survived, do you think?
No, just put that back on.
No, it's just a wobbly. It's meant to do that.
Yeah.
Okay, have another go.
Oh, another go.
Yeah. Be all right.
Be all right on the night.
Here we go then. And another one. A low-level sortie.
It's that 56 pounds of lead that you put on the nose. It's not too happy with it. It's a bit heavy
I don't
now.
think that little motor can cope with that. Yes, well. And then I think maybe that battery might be past its best down here, actually. Because that was.
Yeah, it might be. Well, give it a buzz, see what it's like. Not a lot of grunt, is it?
Losing revs and a battery.
Okay.
Yeah,
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
It's the Grim Reaper.
yeah,
Now, look, that is really tempting fate, isn't it?
yeah.
Well, what am I supposed
You
to
can
do?
laugh if you take a picture of yours in a minute.
What am I supposed to video then? I can't just keep doing barbecues. And...
Oh, no.
When you say
And he's the moderately
nobody
cheerful
looks at
Reaper.
your videos,
Yeah.
I do all the time.
Well, thank you.
It brings me back lots of memories.
Well, that was the idea. Yeah.
Particularly
Good.
when you're finding old stuff that I knew.
Yeah.
We'll be doing some more of that. I've got to get my cub up in the sky first.
One thing about nostalgia, it don't hurt.
The thing of trouble with nostalgia is there's no future in it.
It's like family photos. I wonder what happened to all these photos when we were all gone. The
Yeah,
flying
Yeah.
Well, I know we're lying around in the bin.
Well,
Again,
that's the trouble with a lot of our families. And I found some right back to the First World War, all dressed in soldiers'
Wow.
uniforms.
oh, that's
And I thought there's a whole story there
Yeah.
to be told. And what have I got to do? I've got no room to store them.
Got a history of that plane as well.
Right.
1929, it's based at Biggleswade, I believe.
still exists.
I believe so. It did in 2009.
Okay, well, probably still does then.
It had a crash in it, a false landing, which did some damage, but it was repaired. The pilots escaped. The takeoff, the fuel had a vapour lock, I think.
Well, it hadn't yesterday.
That's the stuff.
Yeah.
A little bit of a breeze now.
Now I would say the wind is coming from the easterly direction simply because when you see him flying, when he comes round, it's
Yeah.
a bit slower.
Yeah.
Or is it? I don't know.
I'm getting some on my neck, so it must be southeast. Or...
Is that all it's got?
When that mountain was being heat, we had that ginormous storm
nice in the middle, and then you can see the... Right. Yeah. How long do I leave it up here before that lightning gets over there and I'm the tallest thing on the earth? Well, it would have been.
Yeah. Okay, mate. Okay.
Just switch on the radio.
See what we can do. Again. He's landing. Lovely, thank you very much.
Thank you, Steve. You're the best of the bad bunch.
Does he come in?
I think so.
That's a nice flyer, isn't it?
Yeah.
And of course, they were the people to come out with that flight power. Yeah, they're still going in the States. I think he paid £110.
Surprised. 10 years old,
It's got to be 10 years old, yeah. And, but electric